For the first step, we need to perform the auto coordinate system. This command automatically creates a local coordinate system from the features with the datum labels. You must have an existing feature that references all of those datums, and that feature must also have true position and/or a profile callout to use this function. Now, there are times when you may decide to skip this command, specifically if you already have a manual or DCC alignment already created in another segment. Now, there's two ways to invoke the auto coordinate system command. One, from the programming automation pull-down on the measure ribbon, which is the image on the right, or from the construct ribbon in the below image. We've got a part here you can see in the graphics area that has a program in it. And if we go over to the right here and look at the programming browser, you can see we have a bunch of features measured, starting at the top of the segment. Then we go down, you can see we've got datum C, A, and B in no particular order. And we've got some features that are called out to A, B, and C, and some that are called out to D, E, and F. And we have a D, E, and F down at the bottom, again in no particular order, just the order that it was measured. There's no coordinate systems, just features, and some of the features have datum labels on it. Now you'll notice that all of these features are numbered starting at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and going down the list. This is for later when we do some sorting, so you'll actually be able to see that we've done some sorting. But for now, we want to do the auto coordinate system, so we're going to go over here to the programming automation pull down, and we're going to select the first item, and this is going to be auto coordinate system. And what happens? Well, if we look over in the browser, if you look at, we have datum C, datum A, and datum B. It didn't change the order of anything, but it did insert a coordinate system after the last of the three datums. If we go down a little bit further, there's another set of datums here, D, E, and F, and you can see after the final datum is measured, then we have this local coordinate system down here. And that's what this command does, because we do have datum features and measurement features all within the same segment.